Bernard the father way me. Oh, Bernard. Hey. Jam Quana was some Bernard. No my winning a chian of it. I said, Net, would you win at the mass? If you are free, Papa Buffy, what is it free? And I was a Kumabaka. Bernard, when you are more fearful. Hey, Hana for her. What is it? I get away. What can I do? Huh? I'll put a cat in my bones as a yellow when I come to Funasi. Principal Nabo. What can I do? We are struck. We shall go in. Send a flower and I want to tell you. Yeah, what them were. We are ready now. The bank was a small thing. Be very careful. We have a pump and every.
Yes, my tumbe. What's it?
Quite a from the Ken. Wait a mess. When it's your neighbor. If you are blind, baby, you never hold the penny. Medimento for my wee papa. There be a baby Bushiano. I could come in and I'm in the shop manager. You will be saying I was in your body pan. Yeah. Now, Uncle Bernard, what do you move? Bernard, my new scabio, Minimama. Mina was supposed to be beard the most sick as some, but you ma, if you are to your Mimisica. Unica. As a nasty dad, Mamma said, "Walk me back." Not at the mass. The Bernard won't pay your mother. Please, one of Madame, what if that could work? You will see a city. More fast. If you are Timono, I am younger than fee. I do not put any behind me to my baby man. It's I will know. If you are so, come on. If you are able to bet your money, and my dogs. So what? It's so I am. And then the pen, I don't know. Over some fear, I bet them fear. When you go and fear you, I know their fears. Mr. Pomade, you feel this one. Maybe be a very mammy. You better come on. So what? Hey, Bernard, never could have been Bobby. Me and Bagana Babusia. And you are quite. Me and California heaven, sir. You send me to us, Mina Macassa. Yabusa. Who come back? If you're on, and more being to Nancy, and more people about. Be bound for family. I'm in the sense of you. And media, people see now.
That is what's what I do.
Hey! Hey! Shut up, buddy. Idiot! And yes, you know, oh, yes, too sweet. And who shop when you was out with me and answer who shall just know me. And too sweet. I pass it. Be very careful. Who goes on for myself? Who's when? Can't come and throw. No question for family. Yes, I mean. Interior. Hey! My friends one, right? Hey! I overdose. Woman, Sammy, one was so super. Na menita. Musame Magajo.
Love is a beautiful thing. Believe that. Oh,
First that.
Young I love you more from your boy minister.
I wanna hold your body close to me, baby, baby. I love it when your dimple shows when you're smiling, smiling. Your beautiful face is tempting me to kiss you, kiss you. The way you shake your body like an angel, angel. Shake your body, body, move your body, body. The way you do, just roll your body, body. Shake your body, body, move your body, body. The way you do, just roll your body, body. Yeah, yeah, roll your body, body. Whoa, whoa, shake your body, body. Yeah, yeah, roll your body, body. Whoa,
I can see the shipping on, withdrawing in your panties. You're looking like a singer, thinking that thing in my panties. I don't care if I be poor, I'll be happy with a penny. My girl, I'm winning, so dip her skin and swinging the Remy. You a bad girl, and I be Michael Jackson bad. So give me all the blows from your punching bag. I don't care if mama say, mama say, mama say, I'm sad.
Ken, can you please make these things excuses and then we talk?
Point of correction. These are not things. They are my babies. So just reframe your statement.
Whatever. Can you let them excuse us?
Babes?
Babe, I'm not going anywhere. No, I'm not moving.
Listen to me, baby. We have a serious business to talk about, okay? So just kindly excuse me. All right.
Make sure he doesn't take all your time.
No, he's not going to do that.
We make our lips concentration on
Well,
the inside.
I was just...
Make our feel your candy and your chocolate. Give me one more star, don't hesitate. Want it, pretty girl. Want it, pretty girl.
Ken. Say, Mom, see, you have made it.
For real?
And you are here enjoying Tucson.
Oh, forget it.
Anyway, Ken, my business be a floppy Twi and then me here about 50,000. But too many now. I thought, why not? Let me come and see a brother, and then if for nothing at all, on peka krama me and then any china and I can solve issues. I'll get it back to you.
Fred, 50,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, a GH, not dollars.
You're talking of 500 million old currency.
Whatever.
Fred, minya sasi kanema. You should know it.
Ken, you did not say that.
Minya sasi kanema.
Ken, are you forgetting me, Fred Namnokasa?
Yeah, I know it's you, Fred.
You know, I know, says I inherited Bernard BBR. Bernard companies in the BBR.
Yeah.
So it was a 50, just 50,000. Also need you.
Oh, Fred. It is a yes, how do you know? Meaning, Sam was says he can't down.
I did about one person to say the fact that I am not begging for this money. I am demanding.
Oh, wow.
So I need this money within 24 good hours.
Fred, you are demanding for it. Yeah. Like, who this can be a mommy? Such amount of money. See me keep him up. And I will babaji. Is that what you mean?
Asante kakasabise okwasia. Nani etia na grego. Ni awone ne yamodu hwam no so no won pepa ne nsakwa.
Hold on. I didn't have a social.
What me and share, okay? If you should get out there you know what happens.
No, Fred. No. Just go straight to the point. What are you talking about? Well, what you and I share. No?
Yeah.
Who split beans now?
Ken, I want you to understand that me, Fred Odenehu Owari, I am the only person in GH.
Yeah.
I'm Nimnia Okun Bernard.
Look, Fred, you can go to hell with that. But listen, God. And me, and I'm Okun Bernard. Get that in your scarf. Yes.
Are you threatening me?
This is not a threat. I am telling you the truth.
Very good.
Yes.
Wait till I don't get the money.
You can go to hell with that, like I said.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your filthy wealth with
Whatever.
those filthy girls.
Fred, I said whatever.
Get out!
Whatever.
Nonsense.
Then I will in a wood to Tomaso. But me person the bar. Eh? No, I said, a short of a was so. A show for so many oceans, catch me. I know who some of a friend was also about. I know who some of a friend when Yanni. I know who some of who I just on the mattress. Now, sorry, no good. Obana's Bennis are sweating and no good. Asame na kacha bofana. Asame na aka. Bene de musi. Wachi na nuso. Tija sugura. Awore papa be na akoya. Chowo fibe. Bene de aba. Who you only me koy. Me na meti wono. Na me enjoy myself. Me sika na media. Man funya ore to hoble fi osi moska but trust me ka mama oduma kwese kwada se ne wawu a me na betra besu ana na besu to maso me pa chawo me tu ja sa sunu nsu mama so nte what's your gajo so me suna me tu ja nsu mama so nte nsu mama nte I'm afraid to who your family boy? What's the account and then Minamity? Minna Magic Fiabos. What? Nothing of a travel. Well, too wonderful. What you? What you? Some will be a good answer. Who are you, boy?
Exclusive to JohnBiz.com.
MMS. Mugu money spender. MMS. My love, you know your eyes, oh. For your mind, oh.
So my just I not one. Many Mr. Bobby. We didn't grab it. I am benefiting your Bahama, Asia. When the better part, no pepia, no metriaca. I would be baby and so bam what the camera. When I'm this cat together, make out when you mean. Hey, free baby, I told metriaca. When I'm this cat on Prada. Ghana, but opium him, some minimum sababi, the whole Ghana. My dear baby, I was just a bit anymore. When I work as home, within next week, I'm not to fear that you're free. Not to fear your state. Hey, oh, David, Me it for me in the near I'm up a cracky. Me in the near for Yansapa. Meet me, me is a name of there was some of the maid among and Casacra and Casa. Why, Casa? Now, no more Casana, no son. Well, oh, how does the fun about winning town? We're so going to watch it on. No, sir. Let me do the plans. Let me do it. But you'll be anyhow. And then I will never go home. My men of my house in English. Don't you know? Oh, look what you're going to Moyana. If you are there, someone from Lana, you need it. Oh, yeah. And that's just oh, dear, don't what she miss you be anyone. Let me go for baby Bianca. Oh, now, walk us home, one dear. No friend want to make a show. My order for a movie. When I move family wife. Oh, where will you go today? As a folk would do. Oh, don't let me see me go. Ah, what can I say? Oh, Cassan, no, my come here. Oh, I see what you know, be anyone. I walk out. Yeah, yes, I cry my mistake. Okay, see, we're going photo can take it. Right? Oh, wonderful. No. Wow. What about? Okay, very nice. Oh, what they provide? Hello? Fine, me patron wani. Minifia, me pia wa take up. Me wa S5. Me ye meeting wa kakra. Now did they say? Gulu. Say gulu nya enye nipa ni gulu ya niema. Udi kasa de say. Nana ya wa Who ya dey? Who ya nyuntuni? Uba nyumbai. Hekima. Hadi anyona no. Oh, ne menteda.
Mede minsawo bonsamani.
Mede minsawo. Ah, wow, mama. Wow. Oh, okay me here. Program be me nkwa program. How I take bubu. Mafra wati. You mafra why? Mama skenso. Why? Good in a family. I don't know what I'm for. Only a young one. Program can be the neighbor. Ye, then you know the program. Blah blah. How do you be able to answer? We're playing over. Hey, I am penny for baby, I penny for tina. Kofonya better man penny munya better than tina. We're playing over answer. We are some heavy more. Many times Bacassa, and pass out. Who is a minute back to us? We were waiting out. I know a penny. Where penny no. Hi. Nobody. Where's your phone? Kachi, that is saying. Okay. Me never Mr. Bobby. Me am this cartoon brother. Winnie me. And never yes can you? As who was car? Chromasca was the minimum. No need about the academy. Who did he say? Real money. Race Obaka phone pa. Papa me be do what you can get back. What's that real money? One was catch it. Okay, the military. What's me? Oh, what's one thing with that brother? Who's that? Some of folk on my yenti. When you boss, when you buy, I'm one in Ghana.
Memphis, who's Cassan? No sooner fit. Who for sent? I don't know say how.
No, dear, for so sad.
Was done how when you brother when you say, I'm into Hujay.
I'm way on again.
Your money how? One hour.
One hour again.
And again, 1 hour again. Yeah, I know my hour in a minute.
Honey,
Mammy.
oh, boy.
Oh, mammy, pray. Mamma.
I'm in Nankasa.
And then I need to power.
Hello.
Hello?
Mammy, that to say. Oh, where do we need me? My name is Mr. Bobby.
Mr. Bobby?
Me now obey name a champion.
Aha. Now, what are you saying?
Oh, me fear dear. More of your address 75.
75?
105.
Eh, Jawadu, 75 years. Mr. One from Banankasa, why?
Oh, my man, some more come because it's young.
Where, Caro? Caro, Banai, Caro. Oh, 10 3 years, Caro, come on, you to bang, Caro. In Cambo, show.
Your restaurant were X5.
Me, we are seeing beyond to no.
You man, that's it.
I when I phone money,
what's them? Not too deep. I saw this phone back. So I'm going to see you, Mom. I'm so waiting. I am an abroad. Let me go with you, sir.
Wait.
What's that way, song? Oh, boy, oh, yeah, my Nancy, I am proud of you. I mean, no man who says, I will chew and quit today. Oh,
now we are now.
We went to Latvia and red fish.
Who is showing now? What do you got?
Got to them.
Can I get a car?
You have a large chunk of
I'm going to my
I'm again, Thunder False. Well, I'm on the way the time. Cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Oh, oh. Because the girl, them broke out on the floor. From you don't wanna work this performer. From you don't wanna man, we can't turn you.
The game.
Oh, Mr. Ken.
Good. What do you mean? Once they see our boss, we are around. That's the bedroom. One guy I know, I say, we are taking a what I say, we will need what's up. It's one of the come. We know more moves. We know more moves. So So what I say, it's a menu crana. When I meet you, okay. So what I say, good. It's a new one. It's in a middle bar. So make us some much. So just be a good person to me. That's all.
Yeah, part of who say you buy no good MC. So Michelle, like be a say be a meeting boy. So when you wow cast in your team, me and no sir. And I do into about so you come down. So we will be a man, Miss Memo is the MC.
What's your name?
Okay. I'm trying to go to church. Get some chicken wings after that, hit the strip club, see some hoes twerk. See bad girls be at the strip club, good girls they be in church. Always wonder why my grandmother try to get me to go to church. Please Lord forgive me, I'm about to take niggas to church. Christian Louboutins, them my best friend. I'm about to put these bitches to the test then. What you callin' spikes? What color that box? Is it a white bag in it? Yeah, no, hold up, stop.
Na collabo, yeah. She wants some collabo. I can sing for you, you can sing for me. Yeah. She says she wants some collabo. She need them badly, be like tornado. She talks say I they play like Ronaldo. The thing they sweeter like Don Jose Minado. Eminado. We can go Monaco. I rock her body, give her Orlando. She just the holla, she the stream obrigado. As I the fire, I the call her Molato. My Molato. Oh yeah, baby, make we collabo. I know you want the collabo. Yeah, yeah, I go sing for you, you go sing for me. Na collabo, she wants some collabo. Oh yeah, baby, make we collabo. I know you want the collabo. Yeah, yeah, I go sing for you, you go sing for me. Na collabo, she wants some collabo. Yeah, as I don't show, she know the regret no more. How I know, Molato give unto me, come they get down low. My brain they scatter, I'm insane 'cause I don't know, and I don't blow like say no tomorrow. If I don't get money, I get place to borrow. Say you they feel me, you they form, say you know no. I get your password and you know say I don't code. Me I don't code. Oh yeah, baby, make we collabo. I know you want me collabo. Yeah, yeah, I go sing for you, you go sing for me. Na collabo, she wants to collabo. Oh yeah, baby, make we collabo. I know you want me collabo. Yeah, yeah, I go sing for you, you go sing for me. Na collabo, she wants to collabo. Yeah. Baby, Muna Giga collabo. Make you marry me now. Don't do Gucci be square there, so if you dey feel I make me carry go. If I don't get money, I get place to borrow. Yeah, you dey feel me, you dey fun, say you don't know. I got your passport and you know say I don't go. No. Oh yeah, baby, make we collabo. I know you want me collabo. Yeah, yeah, I go sing for you, you go sing for me. Na collabo, she wants to collabo. Oh yeah, baby, make we collabo. I know you want me collabo. Yeah, yeah, I go sing for you, you go sing for me. Na collabo, she wants to collabo. Yeah.
Oscar on the beat.
Eti bi de nya de se mi faade. Make us in the muda. Pempe to pay. As me justice. Me yes, yes, me know. At
yes, society. That's what you're always said.
Hello. Good evening. Let us say. Oh, maybe that I do. Me what damn go me nyawe. Come back with them for offering. You been out for. And I make kind of sank away, no. Wanti. I make us say, you know, some no. Hi, Mahama. Oh, okay. Mr. Bobby. Who you uncle? You be a committee, no? Oh, you never young boy, maybe. Na kufuaba. Akufa soba. Okay, any yanko why, Mati. Me dasi.
And you may wait. Walk away.
Hey, Mahama.
Why?
Oh, I'm a penny Ghana man penny. See you meet you one can do.
Miss Wassama, who can you no crab up? Who said that?
Hey,
me not make it out. Who now we hear your name? Kululu.
Ah, Mammy can work us out. And network. Everything available in the sun.
Media and Pabwebe Guhana, Gia Yedin Comwe, and them who say will jump. When you're quiet, our Bacos say, can you do me? I do can you?
Every today. 1925, I like you all. As soon as I do. Oh, Mamma, yes, sir. We'll go, my baby, for what's the number? Minute. Oh, we discussed with you, somebody else. It's a minute.
It's a minute. Are you waiting for me?
Oh.
Baby, I'm by you. I did born home by mammy. What's it? My dear Bacope. Oh, God. I swore thing. What you want me, Mopo? Maybe Mopo, mammy, what's it? Not chino, mammy. What you want me, Mopo? Baby, be a row. You were born home by mammy, what's it? Eh, no, Joe. Joe, Nammy, Mopo, eh? Oh, Carol, back me. Ah.
Princess.
Uncle. Hey. Nephew.
Only baby. My main father will feel. Na me kusi. What? No. The chance. Oban break. And I'll be the Yankasa. Ah? Drinking it, okay? Okay, I'm 1 minute.
Mama K, me and Pana, me moy. Sabri.
na onyankopon so etido ya hye na eno na eko operation bi na ba bia ne nenam no nhye nkofu ya buchinku ho na eko kohwe ade kura esi ho na ekohwe na nipa bi na ne wo ho omu chechim na yese ne buhwe ne bi temantem ha ya ehwe na ya abofra bi na owude ekohwe na da abofra na mbe case no ono na obi eku na ordinator
Bernard, I smile about the cash when you said, Ariel Kaka. In fact, I will walk aside. Bible also said, BC Piano, if I see my young couple. Well, Ben, it's about Walba Princess. Why are you? On a national cruise time out on the buffet, or machine in the Maoma. It told me yesterday, almost 2 1 a month. Yes, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Now, granny mine. And a pound more one, almost 9 crabby said, yes, see. You come aquada beer to room, sir, almost area honor. Omudu mika kwehwe ya examine na crown who say a princess
into put what can you say princess
man just come
oh God
You are under arrest. Come in the hearing office.
Hold on. Under arrest?
That's what I'm saying.
What's going on here? What's that? Talk to us. Any of us?
What do you do?
Gladys, what are you doing over there? You're supposed to be here, not there.
Sly, you are under arrest.
Officer, it looks like I'm not Sly. I'm Ken.
If you're Sly, I know I that what they can about.
I'm not this. I mean, what is going on here?
We have enough information about you.
About me? Yes. Say my name.
Listen to me, gentlemen. I have been watching you for a very long time.
Look, Gladys, are you mad? Are you foolish?
Why are you implicating your own crime?
I said it. Look, can somebody tell me what is going on here?
How can you take innocent people like this, man?
What is going on here?
You're wrong with the poor and so anymore. And I will try something here, but there'll be another one.
Gladys, you're mad. You're stupid!
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Why did you kill Fred? A difference in our father-in-law.
Look, you're very stupid, Gladys. What's going on here? Look, what is she saying is never true. I mean, I can't do that. Let me yes, sir.
And I put you a drug on a bus, and I didn't die.
This is so much.
Am I doing it?
It's never true.
Mr. Bennett, you made a dog go. Breakfast for the room. That is a one thing. I have every evidence on this phone. Have you captured him? I have you captured and I have you here. You were my target.
Sergeant Millicent.
Yes, sir.
The information we have about the guy is that we're very wild. And I know what you are capable of doing.
Thank you, sir.
Because you have done it before. For this case, I don't want you to just produce a resource, but a good resource.
Thank you very much, sir.
Now, the entire more upon a Ejna, Bernard in the case, no duty. The person now produce a good result. You may dismiss.
Thank you very much, sir. I'll work to show myself approved, sir. And by the way, my name is not Gladys. My name is Detective Sergeant Millicent, and you were my target. No, you take him away.
I am finished.
मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ जो मैं नहीं बोलता वो मैं डेफिनेटली करता हूँ